So this is the setup we're using. We got our fire on this side. This is just a fire starter. It's gonna burn out in just a little bit. We have the vents on the bottom right now wide open, and we're gonna get everything set up. Need to have the vents opposite from the fire. We're gonna close this down to the smallest possible opening. Top vents are gonna go halfway down. You want the vents over the heat. You want the gauge directly over the heat to be saying between 300 and 350. Once your temps are kind of settled, you can go ahead and add your meat. When you're ready to start smoking, you have your meat on the opposite side